In today's video, we are going to cover how to record a vendor refund in QuickBooks Online. Begin from your QuickBooks Online dashboard and look to the left side of the screen for the Create menu. Click the plus sign labeled New to open the list of transaction types. From that menu, select Vendor Credit. This opens the form used to enter the refund details from a vendor so the credit is recorded correctly in your books. Once the vendor credit window is open, go to the vendor field and choose the vendor who issued the refund. It is important to select the same vendor connected to the original expense or purchase activity so the refund is tied to the correct account history. After you select the vendor, move down through the form and enter the payment date along with the refund details shown for the transaction. Use the date that matches the refund activity you are recording in QuickBooks Online. Next, add the refunded category or item depending on how the original purchase was entered. If the original transaction was tracked to a category, use the category details area. If it was entered as a product or service item, use the item details section instead. In the amount field, enter the value of the refund exactly as it appears for the transaction. Make sure the amount matches the refund you received so your vendor balance and expense records stay accurate. After you have reviewed the vendor name, date, and refund amount, click Save and Close. This saves the vendor credit and returns you to the main screen. At this stage, the refund has been entered into QuickBooks Online. But there is one more part to complete when the money actually reaches your bank account. When the vendor refund is deposited into your bank account, record that deposit in QuickBooks Online. This step connects the refund to the money received so your books reflect both the vendor credit and the bank activity. If you are working from your bank feed, use the deposited refund when it appears in your account activity. If you are entering it directly, record it when the deposit reaches the bank account you use in QuickBooks Online. This keeps the refund from sitting as an open credit and helps your records stay aligned with the actual deposit. As you move through these steps, keep your entries consistent with the original purchase, especially the vendor and the refunded category or item. That keeps the refund attached to the right place in your records and avoids extra cleanup later. The vendor refund is now recorded in QuickBooks Online and reflected in your bank account activity.